Hey everybody, Dennis here. Picked this up the other day at a phenomenal price. It's $13.97. I don't know if it's going to stay that way for very long, but this is before Christmas, so I would suggest swinging on over there real quick and grabbing this, because this is one heck of a deal. Now this is what you get when you take it out of the Amazon box, and I'm going to show you here. This is the first time opening this little guy up. See if we can get this out of here. Yes, okay, that sounds good. Oh, comes with a cleaning brush. Gotta like that. So anyway, let's see how we get this open here. Oh, nice, nice soft handle. I noticed that you can't see it on the camera here, but I've got it. Well, let me do it this way. It's rubber seat, so it won't slide when you're, have it on the countertop. Reading through the directions here, it looks like this slot is, let me open it up. This is for coarse, if you have a blunt blade, and I haven't used this yet. I'm going to probably be giving this away as a gift, but then again, maybe not, and I'll tell you why in a second. And the other slot is for fine tuning it. So if you have really dull blades, use the coarse side first, and you go back and forth, and then you use the other side the next, and kind of sharpen it up a little bit more, and do about 3 or 4 swipes. And then the brush is for cleaning out the. Let's see if you can see that. Cleaning any filings are in there or what have you. Anyway, I'm thinking of this because it's small and compact to put in my little travel trailer. We got a travel trailer, so this can fit right in the drawer, and this is going to be awesome. Anyway, this looks like a pretty cool little gadget here, and of course we all have knives that need to be sharpened. Hello. Anyway, hopefully this helps. Okay, bye.